Digital negatives can be printed in large format printing on dry film. An appointment is required to access this service. Alternately, digital negatives can be printed on vellum paper on the MACLab's Ricoh digital laser printer. This does not require an appointment but requires students to purchase laser-compatible vellum paper from large format printing, room 346, to use on the Ricoh digital laser printer. Step 1. Set file image mode to RGB. Select Profile, Edit menu, Convert to Profile, select Adobe RGB 1998. Image size should be 300 ppi for optimal result. Step 2, optional. Duplicate the background layer. Name the layer Custom High Pass for contrast. Step 3, optional. Convert the Custom High Pass for contrast layer into a smart object. Converting a layer into a smart object allows for filter effects to be non-destructive. Step 4, optional. Under the filter menu, apply the high pass filter. Set the blending mode to overlay. Set opacity of this layer to 50%, this can be adjusted for desired contrast. Custom high pass is a method to boost image contrast in image highlights, this whole step is optional. Step 5. Add adjustment layer, black and white. Adjust to desired look. Step 6. Add adjustment layer invert to turn the image into a negative. Step 7. Save the file as a PSD file. It is best practice to save a building file with the layers intact. The PSD file is the building file for editing but not the final file for printing. It is important to save PSD files in order to make future edits. Step 8. Save a copy as a JPEG file, this will be the printing version of the file. Save a copy as a JPEG will create a flat version for printing.